Hey there, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to English in Action, the channel where you learn real English step by step. No stress, no boring lessons, just fun and real progress. Today, I have something special for you. Are you ready to learn English faster and easier? I know learning English can feel hard sometimes. You feel slow, or maybe you forget words, or don't know how to speak clearly. But don't worry, you're not alone. And here's the good news. There are smart, simple ways to learn English 2 times faster. In this video, I'll show you one of the best techniques to boost your English. It's something even native speakers use when learning other languages, and it really works. And yes, we use it right here in our YouTube channel too. So keep watching because this method can change the way you learn forever. Let's get started. Part 1. Shadowing. Hey, my friend, let me tell you about something really cool. Have you ever seen people on YouTube speaking English and they say, repeat after me or say it with me? Yeah, that's called shadowing. And let me tell you, a lot of YouTube channels use this method. We use it too right here on English in Action. So, what is shadowing? It's simple. You hear a sentence in English and then you say it too, right after or with the speaker. Like this. How are you today? You say, how are you today? You don't stop and write. You don't think too much. You just follow the voice like a shadow. Now you might ask, why should I do this? Because it really works. When your brain hears and speaks at the same time, it builds fast and strong connections, just like a baby. They listen, they copy, and they speak. That's how your brain can learn English, fast and naturally. So here's what I want you to do. Next time you watch one of our videos, like the one called 30 Daily English Phrases, try shadowing. Repeat the phrases with me, speak out loud, and don't worry about mistakes. Listen, speak, feel more confident. The more you shadow, the better you sound. It's one of the best ways to practice. Anytime, anywhere. All right? Part 2. Daily exposure and simple practice. All right, let's talk about something really important. It's called daily exposure. That just means you need to see and hear English every day, not once a week, not just in school, every single day. But don't worry, I don't mean big lessons or long books. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day is amazing. You can watch a short video on our channel. You can listen to a conversation. You can hear English while eating, walking, or relaxing. Just like music, the more you hear a language, the more your brain gets used to it. Now, let me tell you something. Even our simple videos can help a lot. We have daily phrases, fun stories, real conversations podcasts. These are made just for you, for beginners, and for people who want to speak English in real life. So try this. Watch one short video every day. Repeat some phrases, listen carefully, let the words enter your ears, and stay in your brain. This is how you grow fast, step by step, day by day. Tiny steps lead to big results. And don't forget, we are with you on this journey. Part 3: Repeat and Write. Active Learning Method. Let me ask you something. Have you ever watched an English video just one time and then moved on to the next? Hmm. If yeah, that's okay, but it's not enough to really learn. Here's the secret: watch it again and again. Then say the phrases out loud. And finally, write the important words in a notebook. This is called active learning. When you repeat, speak, and write, your brain starts to really remember. You're not just watching, you are using your mind, your voice, and your hand together. This makes English stay in your head longer. Let me give you an idea. Watch one of our videos, pause it, say the phrase, write it down. For example, in the video, 30 daily English phrases, try this with each sentence. Say it, write it, read it again tomorrow. You'll be surprised how fast your English grows. Remember, learning is not about watching more, it's about learning deeper. So take your time, repeat with love, write with focus, and speak with joy. You're doing amazing. Keep it up. Part 4: Use English in real life, even if you're at home. Now listen carefully. If you want to speak English well, you can't only study English, you have to use it. But wait, what if you don't live in an English speaking country? What if you have no one to talk to? No problem. I've got you. You can use English in real life, starting today. Let me give you some ideas. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, I'm serious. Look in the mirror and say, "Good morning, James. How are you today?" "I'm feeling good. Let's make a coffee." It feels silly at first, but it works. It really helps your brain think in English. Change your phone or apps to English. When you see settings, notifications, or battery, you learn new words without a textbook. Listen to English daily, not just music, but podcasts, stories, or real conversations. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain will slowly learn. Write short messages in English. Write a diary about your day. Today, I went to the market. I bought apples. The weather was hot. Simple, yes, but powerful. Repeat English in public, softly. When you see a sign in English, read it out loud. When you hear a sentence in a movie, say it again. Every time you do this, your brain becomes more comfortable with English. Now, here's something important. Don't wait for a perfect moment. Don't say, "I will speak when I am fluent." You become fluent by speaking, not before. Start small. Start today. Say simple things in your daily life. Even 5 words a day can help. And remember, you're not alone. We're here, making videos, giving phrases, and cheering for you. You are learning to speak, not just study, and that's amazing. Part 5: Join a community. Let's talk about something exciting. Learning English is not easy. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you want to give up. But guess what? You're not alone. Many people, just like you, are trying every day to learn English. And that's why we're building a special community, a place where we can all come together, talk in English, help each other, practice with real conversations, ask questions, and get support. Maybe on YouTube, maybe on a private group or a small app, but very soon we'll invite you in. Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and you see a short English message from a friend in our group. Good morning. What are you doing today? Then you answer, I'm going to study English. Let's go. Little by little, this becomes a habit. You feel more confident. You speak better. You are not learning alone. You are learning with us. So stay with us. More videos are coming, and very soon our community will be ready. And remember, you don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start. One word, one message, one conversation. That's how fluency begins. We're here for you. Let's grow together. Outro. Final words to you. And hey, if you're still watching, you are amazing, really, because you care. You want to grow. You're not just dreaming, you're doing something. Learning a language is not magic. It's not fast and easy. It's small steps every day, sometimes slow, sometimes hard, but if you keep going, you will succeed. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. Every word you learn, every sentence you say is a step forward. And we're walking with you side by side, so don't stop. Watch this video again. Take notes, practice. And if this video helped you, check out our other videos too. Stories shadowing. Daily phrases, we made them for you. Subscribe to the channel, join our journey. And remember, you can do this. Say it with me. I can learn English. Say it louder. I will speak English. We believe in you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, my friend. Stay strong, stay motivated, and keep speaking English.